Welcome to House How, your go-to place for all things home maintenance. Ever wonder why that energy bill keeps skyrocketing? Or why those pesky pests just won't leave your home? It could be some common issues with your attic that you're overlooking. In today's video, we'll dive into the world of attic maintenance, highlighting 4 key areas: insulation, ventilation, pest prevention, and routine maintenance checks. First on the agenda, insulation. An under-insulated attic is a prime suspect when your heating and cooling bills are through the roof. Step 1, check the insulation levels. If you can see the attic floor joists, it's time to add more insulation. Fiberglass, cellulose, and spray foam are all great options. Remember, the goal here is to create a thermal barrier between your home and the outside world. Next up, ventilation. Good ventilation prevents heat buildup in the summer and dampness in the winter. To ensure proper ventilation, install soffit vents along the eaves, and a ridge vent at the peak of the roof. Pair these with an attic fan for optimal airflow. Moving on to pest prevention. It's no secret that critters love to make themselves at home in your attic. To keep them out, seal any gaps or cracks around the roof and eaves. Also, trim back any branches that give easy access to your roof. Regularly check for signs of pests like droppings or gnaw marks, and consider a professional pest control service if things get out of hand. Finally, routine maintenance checks. It's easy to forget about your attic when it's out of sight, out of mind, but a quick check every 6 months can save you a lot of trouble down the line. Look for signs of water damage, mold, or rot. These can indicate a leaky roof or poor ventilation. Before we dive into our summary, let's take a moment to discuss the tools you'll need for attic maintenance. First, an insulation knife. This sharp, sturdy tool is perfect for cutting insulation to size. Second, a staple gun. This is used to secure the insulation in place. Third, a ventilation fan. This will help improve airflow in your attic. Fourth, pest control products such as traps and repellents. These will keep those unwelcome guests at bay. And finally, don't forget your flashlight and ladder for easy access. Having the right tools can make your attic maintenance tasks much easier and ensure you're prepared to tackle any issues that arise. In summary, proper attic maintenance involves 4 key areas: effective insulation to regulate temperature, proper ventilation to prevent heat buildup and dampness, pest prevention to keep those unwelcome guests at bay, and regular maintenance checks to catch any problems early. Remember, a well-maintained attic is not just about comfort. It's about safeguarding your home's structural integrity, improving energy efficiency, and preventing costly repairs down the line. So don't neglect your attic. Give it the care and attention it deserves. That's all for today's video. Tune in next time as we continue to explore the ins and outs of home maintenance. Until then, keep those attics in tip-top shape. If you found these attic maintenance tips useful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us continue to bring you more home maintenance content. And remember, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to sharing more useful tips in our next video.